Akcja!
I'm so happy because I'm going to the zoo.
Hello, how can I help you?
1 ticket, please.
Here you are, €2, please.
Thank you, sir. What do you want to see today? I would like to see the tigers and the elephant. Okay, the tigers are on the left and the elephant is just straight on, over the bridge. Thank you very much. Have fun. Can I take the photos of the animals?
Yes, you can, but please do not use your mobile phone.
Okay, and one more. Can I eat my sandwich at the zoo?
Yes, you can, but you can't feed the animals.
Okay. Can you tell me which way to go to the mini zoo?
Just straight on.
Hello again. Hello, can I touch the animals in the mini zoo? Yes, you can, but please be careful. Okay, thank you very much. I will. Enjoy.
Oh! Oh, the rabbits!
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
I'm very happy. I had a great day at the zoo.
Hi, I'm Olga Palikowska and you are watching Animal Facts. Do you know how animals stay cool? I will tell you that. A lizard runs across hot sand. It stops and lifts its front right foot and its back left foot. After a few seconds, it puts down those 2 feet and lifts its other feet. Is the lizard dancing? No! This is how the lizards stay cool. Keeping cool is very important. High temperatures are dangerous for animals' body, but an animal also can get very cold. This is dangerous for it too. When the lizard is cold, it crawls to a sunny place and lies in the heat. A lizard can get too hot or too cold because it can die. Splishy splash. Lucky animals have ways to keep the right body temperature. Now in the summer it's hot outside. Animals need to cool down. Some of them, like the lizard, act in ways that help them cool down. Others have special body parts that help them stay cool. A flamingo knows how to cool down. The bird stands in cool water on one leg. Sometimes that's not enough. Then the bird puts both legs in the water. The heat from the bird's body goes into the water. Dogs sweat too. They sweat from their paws and noses. Dogs are also pant. A dog opens its mouth when it gets hot. Saliva drips from the dog's tongue. Air gets into its mouth. Some of the saliva dries. That cools down the dog.
My name is Alex. And my name is Krzyś. My favorite animal is cat. And I have cat. My favorite animal is cat too, but I have got a rabbit. My cat names Różyczka. My rabbit names Coco. Różyczka is clever and fast. Coco is fat and fluffy. My cat love run, but my rabbit love jump. And this is finished our video.
Welcome to Animal News. Today we will talk about amazing rescue. Katia Zimny rescued 5 pandas from sudden death in China. Katia, can you tell us how did you do this?
Yes, of course. I went to zoo in Shanghai. I was watching animals when suddenly I smelled something burning. I ran across the zoo to see what was going on. I saw 5 pandas on trees and trees was burning. I ran to inform zoo staff about this incident. They called for fire brigade. They arrived just after a few minutes.
What happened next?
They extinguished the fire and saved pandas that were sitting on the trees.
It is true that you will be awarded for your bravery.
Yes, I received a diploma for being a hero.
Thank you for coming and sharing your story with us.
It was a pleasure to being here.
Hello! Welcome to my BBC studio. I have a guest. Dining Panda. Hi. Where are you from?
I'm from Australia. I live in bamboo forest.
What do you like to eat?
I often eat bamboo shoots, and I also like to eat fish and rodent.
Pandas are in danger because their fur is beautiful. However, hunters do not hunt them because they are not under protection. Why are you so excited?
Because my friend is pregnant.
Oh, it's lovely. Being pregnant means to expect baby from mother's bone. Females and males meet in spring between March and May. Pandas' pregnancy lasts for 97 to 163 days. In August, 1 to 3 youngs are born. For the first few months, little pandas drink breast milk, which they suck 6 to 13 times a day, every half an hour. Youngs remain at the harbor for 7 to 7 weeks. Mother leaves the nest just to eat and drink. About 35 to 38 days of age, the round ones open their eyes. After the next 3 months, they become to be more independent. But young mother continues the relationship.
Pandas usually live alone. These animals are unlikely to interact with each other. Most are active at dusk, but they also meet at night and day. Their face is hardly conspicuous by their black spots on white fur. I am the mascot of the Olympic game. Panda is the national animal of China. The image of the giant panda appears on WWF, and Panda Express is a corporate mark of an American restaurant with Chinese food.
Pandas are very cool.
We love pandas and WWF.
Welcome to the film. We will show you some interesting information about those animals. Penguin, a species of bird in the family of penguin, with a black top, body and hood, with a distinct white eyebrow. The skin around the eyes and above them pink. Black beak with a brick patch at the end. The underside of the body with black strip on the chest. He lives alone or in droves. It feeds at sea. They eat fishes and they are 70 centimeters long. Giant river turtle. The length of the carapace reaches 80 centimeters and newly hatched animals has a length of 6 centimeters. Adults reach a weight of 50 kilograms. The head of an adult is light uniformly black or brown, while adolescents. Giant river turtle of the bend in the jaws to the back of the head stretches the white line, and the head has black spots. Carapace blackish or brown, oval in shape, adults flatter and smooth. Male has a longer tail, fingers short, toes thin, nails short and thin. Now we are going to boa.
Boa constrictor, probably the most famous of constrictors, despite the established opinion, is not a threat to humans. They eat small animals like mice, hamster and lizards. Females are typically from 30 to 50 centimeters longer than males. Now we are going to tree frogs. Tree frog skin color is green. Her fingers are completely red. It has a large red eyes with black pupils. Now we are going to giraffes.
Giraffe lives in Africa and eat leaves and grass. Male can weigh 1.5 tons, but female 830 kilograms. The next animal will be cheetah.
Cheetahs eat only meat. They live in Africa and they are fastest ground animals of the world and can weigh from 50 to 70 kilograms.
Było mnie słuchać tego.
Now we are going to pumas. Pumas live only in South America and North America. They eat only meat. Adults can weigh 60 to 90 kilograms. And now we will go to llamas.
Llamas live in South America, and this is a lie that if llama will spit you on eye, you will blind. Adults can weigh until 250 kilograms. And now we will go to eagle owl.
Eagle owl hunting for medium-sized birds and mammals, sometimes on tiny insects. Depending on the occurrence and the season, is changing habits. Associated distribution. In the wild, owl life up to 20 years, in captivity up to 60. They can weigh from 2 to 4 kilograms. And this is all for today.
In the next period, we will show you the main characters of Em jak miłość. See you soon!